The Academy area is a specialized exhibition space that was built together through a strategic partnership between MICAM and MPEL. Within this dedicated environment, we have set up a comprehensive production line featuring state-of-the-art machinery to demonstrate exactly how traditional craftsmanship and innovative technology blend together in a truly harmonious and effective way for the industry. The truly unique aspect of this project is the fact that in a relatively small space, we find ways to actively engage school guys and buyers in a deeply immersive experience, a unique one where technology merges with craftsmanship. What do the school students do in this academy area? We will have about 500 guys from secondary schools or higher education schools who will immerse themselves in an experiential journey. Directly behind me, you can see more than 20 machines that we have carefully organized into a fully functional production line. Our primary goal here is to help students truly understand how even to create a simple object such as a simple shoe or a small leather charm, so much advanced technology and engineering is necessary. And that technology, anyway, is not a substitute for craftsmanship, but it is a way to enhance it and to express it to the fullest. We start from this side the processing cycle of the little star charm that we have prepared for the MPEL factory area. The initial starting point is obviously the cutting process, and we have to build the first two parts of the little star. The genuine leather exterior and the soft interior, the foam padding. The next step in the process we have to do is to glue all of these parts together. We decided to work with an automatic gluing machine with a vision system, so you will see a machine with cameras that automatically recognizes the pieces and adapts the gluing program to the pieces that we insert into the cabin. In order to perform automatic stitching, it is absolutely essential to have precision when assembling the parts. As a result of this requirement, we've created specialized assembly jigs that allow us to fix the position of the pieces relative to each other with a precision of exactly 0.5 millimeter. Once the parts have been glued together, it is necessary to firmly press them together, because the edges of the little star must remain firmly glued and held together so that they can be properly sewn into place. We've carefully designed and prepared an assembly jig that, using the machine you see right behind me, will allow us to securely close and finish the little star. Once all the different individual parts have been firmly pressed together after assembly, we move on to the actual sewing process. So the adhesive's primary function was to securely hold these various parts together in place until they are finally placed inside the sewing jig. We've prepared the straps with the carabiners. These straps were prepared by a company before the fair had started. We've cut them to size and we are ready to insert them into the top of the little star. We utilized a fully automated sewing machine to achieve maximum precision, and this is the final result. we have now carefully sewn the little star shape, making sure to leave a consistent 2 millimeters of excess material around the entire outer perimeter so that the sewing machine's presser foot could easily follow the intended path for a clean finish. Now we need to trim those 2 millimeters of excess material, and we'll do it. We will use a specialized custom die for this, one that is crafted from a solid block of precision milled steel. This high-quality tool allows us to get a very clean and highly precise cut and properly prepare the little star for the very next important stage of our process, which involves carefully dyeing all of the outer edges. We've carefully trimmed the outer edges of the little star. Of course, the process is not finished yet. We still need to dye those edges, and we'll dye them thoroughly using this special machine, and then we'll dry them inside the heated oven. 2 full coats of color will be absolutely necessary to achieve a truly perfect result. The final stage is the personalization of the little star. On one side, we've hot stamped the MPEL logo. Meanwhile, on the other side, for all the interested buyers who come during the desk's specific opening hours, we will carefully personalize every single charm with the individual buyer's own initials.